Here we're asked to solve the equation by completing the square. State whether these solutions are real or unreal. So completing the square, really I'm going to start with a square or a box, really, whatever you want to call it. And in this box here, we're basically going to start with our first term in the first box. And then we're going to take our second term and split that in half. So that means that this has to be 2x and this has to be 2x. Now to find the last spot, we're basically going to figure out, okay, what needs to go outside these boxes here to help me get what's already filled in. So this here is x and 2 and x and 2, which means that this last box here is 4. And so right now here, this box that I've created is x plus 2 squared. But that's not equal to this yet because our bottom right number needs to be like 1. And so to do that, I am going to now just subtract 3 on the outside of that because 4 minus 3 then gets us back to this 1 here. So my equation here is now changed. I've completed the square and I've changed it into x plus 2 squared minus 3 and then equals 0. Again, I'm just putting that at the end. And so now that I've completed the square, I can solve this with square roots. So I add 3 to both sides. I take the square root of both sides to get rid of that. So I have x plus 2 equals plus or minus the square root of 3. And then I subtract 2. So plus or minus square root of 3 minus 2. And sometimes people might write it just so that we don't get confused on what's inside the parentheses. Sorry, what's inside the square root or what's not. You could write it either way here. X equals negative 2 plus or minus root 3 or plus or minus root 3 minus 2. Either way, we have 2 answers and they are both real answers.